Hey guys, what's up? This is Johnny with Southern Star Roofing. I'm out here in Albemarle, North Carolina at the Plummer residence. This was a job that Henry and his crew knocked out in a day and a half. It's a 56 square job. We pulled off Owens Corning driftwood and replaced it with the CertainTeed weathered wood. I'm just gonna walk around the house here and show you some angles, what's going on. Mr. Plummer is more than pleased with the work. He has given me multiple compliments on everything, so that's awesome. So yeah, I'll walk around back here. Such a beautiful house here, out here in Albemarle, North Carolina. Southern Star they are expanding their horizons, so that's awesome. This was actually an insurance job, guys. I come out and did a quick inspection, and within the few minutes of my inspection, I saw that Mr. Plummer had evident wind damage. So I came down at the end of my inspection and I told him that I would recommend that he filed a claim with his insurance. His insurance sent out an adjuster that saw the same damage that I did, and his insurance actually took care and covered the full roof. So if you guys think that you might have any kind of storm damage or you just want a quick inspection, give us a call at Southern Star Roofing. That's 704-YES-ROOF, and we will be more than happy to come out and give you a quick analysis of what kind of condition your roof is in. I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. All right, bye-bye.